Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our DIYs makeup holders using mason jars and old candle jars. So what you're going to do with the candle jar, once it's empty, you can't light the wick anymore, you're just going to use a butter knife and kind of just scrape all of that old wax out. And then I take a sponge and I wash it out, just clean it out. And then I find it very convenient to use this one for lipsticks just because it fits everything better when it's lipstick because of the shape, and it smells so good every time you open it. For the next one, we're going to use mason jars. So I had a ton of mason jars laying around and I had no idea what to do with them. So I decided to use some mason jars, get a bottle of spray paint that you can get from Home Depot, which is where I got it from. And I just spray painted the bottles a rose gold color. I would recommend doing this outside because the fumes do get kind of strong. Alvin Brown to dry. Once it all dried up, I just took ribbon that I had left over for when I was wrapping gifts, and I kind of tied it just around the jar just to make it a little cute. This is a super easy way to organize all of your makeup and put your makeup brushes somewhere, your lipsticks and everything, just so it's not lying around. And I put my makeup brushes inside, and that's it. Super easy, guys, and really cheap way to keep all of your makeup brushes and lipsticks and everything together, whatever you put in it. I hope you guys find it useful. Let me know if you try it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you guys later.